Hello world, tara na, Obra Adventure, simulan na. Travel goals at camping life, sa bawat biyahe good vibes all night. Iba-ibang probinsya sa Pilipinas, bundok, dagat, tanawin na wagaws. Kasama ang family sa bawat lakbay, memories na hindi malilimutan kailanman. Dun sa ilalim ng bituin, bonfire habang hangin ay humahaplos sa skin. Road trip music, sabay kanta, laughter ng baby girl namin na kay saya. Si Keke ang batang palibot, tumatakbo sa buhangin at sa damuhang malambot. Every stop may bagong kwento, adventure namin real at totoo. Come and watch our family camping adventure. Together we explore forever. From mountains high to oceans blue, Obra Adventure is waiting for you.
Good morning mga ka-adventurers! Welcome back to our channel. For today, we're going on another beach camping adventure, and we're going to Canyongan Beach Campsite in Dasol, Pangasinan. So, I think this will be our second or third beach camp for the year of 2026. So, together with Mami Z,
Hi!
Keke, hi Ke, Ate, and
Hi!
kasama namin si
Leo!
our new camping dog.
Camping pal.
So, we'll travel muna from Mabalakad going to Dasol, Pangasinan. Estimated travel time namin is 4 hours. So, please stay tuned for today's family beach camping adventure, and this is also a celebration of our 15th anniversary ni Mami. Yay!
Wow! Yay!
So, please stay tuned for today, and please do watch, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for our 1,022 subscriber. See you there. Bye-bye. See you later. Welcome to the province of Pangasinan. Okay, good afternoon mga ka-adventure. Time check 1:30 at nandito na kami sa City of Alaminos, Pangasinan. Home of the 100 Islands.
Oh, really?
Yes, diba nag-camp tayo last time sa Alaminos dun sa Atanasya. Remember? So, that was last March. Nag-camp tayo doon.
May napala kayo.
March ba or Feb yata? please check out yung video namin doon sa Atanasia. Kung saan kami nag-beach camp sa Atanasia Beach Park here in Alaminos, Pangasinan.
If you haven't watched it yet.
Yeah, if you haven't watched it yet, please check out that video. So, from here, ETA papuntang campsite is less than 1 hour pa. Papuntang Dasol, Pangasinan. So, mag-travel muna kami and we'll update you from time to time. Bye for now. Okay, so pag dumiretso ka dito, papuntang Bolinao, so dito pa-left tayo, papuntang Dasol. 32
Continue on
kilometers.
Alaminos Bypass Road for 1.5 kilometers.
So we're using the Alaminos Bypass Road. Pagdating dun sa dulo, magle-left tayo, papuntang Dasol. Yung papuntang Patar, kung saan tayo galing last time, right naman. So papuntang Patar sa right, papuntang Dasol sa left siya. Right here, we're turning left dito. Okay, so we're turning left. Punta dito. Ito yung first time natin dito.
Continue on Olingdapo, Bigalan Road for 22 kilometers.
So from here, mula dun sa kanto na yun, 48 minutes. Okay, time check, 2:10. 18 kilometers more, papuntang campsite. Yan. At nandito na tayo sa, welcome to Dasol, home of quality salt. So, nandito na tayo sa Dasol, Pangasinan. So, from here, from the Arc, 18 minutes or 16 kilometer papuntang campsite. So, sakto, dadating tayo 2:30. Check-in time natin is 2 p.m. So, yung check-in time dun sa resort or sa campsite is 2 p.m. to 12 noon tomorrow morning. Okay, sana maganda naman yung weather. Sana maganda yung weather for the entire stay. Para ma-enjoy nila Keke at ni Adams beach. Sana maganda yung beach natin. Hindi katulad sa Patar ng malakas yung alon. Tingnan natin. May mga alcohol trio. So, time check 2:25 at malapit na nga tayo dito. So, turn right daw dito. Saan ba din turn right? Ito, Canyugan Luis Beach Camp. So, papasok dito. Ito yung papasok ng campsite.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on the right.
Yes, so beachfront to eh. Dito sa Dasol, Pangasinan. Ayan. May mga kasagrata tayo. So, semento naman yung papasok. Siguro 500 meters mula doon sa kanto.
Your destination is on the right.
Okay, so papasok tayo dito. Ganyan. Parking area. Saan kaya tayo? Siguro ito. May ganun tayo, may kubo eh. I'll just check. Okay, good afternoon mga ka-adventure. Time check 2:40 p.m. nang nakadating tayo dito sa beach camp at nandito nga tayo sa Canyugan Luis beach campsite and resort here in Dasol, Pangasinan. So, maganda, malaki yung campsite and resort nila. Mamaya natin ikutin, pero ito yung magiging pwesto natin. So, ito. So, kumuha tayo ng cottage with kubo. So, mamaya natin i-explore. Dito natin ipipwesto yung tent natin. And, ito yung buong campsite. So, pagbihin mo. Yan. Harap niya beach kagad. And kagandahan nito, sunset yung front niya. Ayan. So ito yung buong beach camp mamaya. So mamaya tayo mag-tour at i-feature natin yung iba pang amenities and facilities dito sa beach camp. Okay, so shout out to Camply, Discover, Camp and Share. Shout out to Sir Aman and Ma'am Rose. And also to my Sikat fam. Shout out to Kayeng Adventure and Wandering with Miss and Gian, Kuya Jerks, Gala ni CJ, JCL Pastry and Adventure and Outdoor Adventure, Jit Adventure, and Ten Venture, sorry. And also Lakaw Tayo. Yan. So yung mga nakasama natin and fam natin sa Sikat. And also to Mountain Junkie na nakasama natin sa Mount Akato and si Pobman. Alright, so mag-set up muna kami and mamaya natin ikutin yung campsite.
You're just a target in a room full of people trying to sell a dream. Got what you wanted, but money fade fast like a summer fling. Was it worth it? The petty fees flew overseas. It made you believe in stolen dreams, someone else's fears. If you think about it, forgot how to breathe. Now the weather's clear. My dear, standing face to face with the mirror, like it's zero. No one's got it figured out. Don't need a mask or a hero, like it's zero, but this ain't where it starts. Like an empire, building towers and breaking heights. You wanted to be her. Well, guess what? You're what you never had. They made you believe in stolen dreams, someone else's fears. If you think about it, you learn how to breathe, and now the weather's clear, my dear. Standing face to face with the mirror, like it's zero.
Okay, good afternoon mga ka-adventure. Time check. 6 p.m. na po. At nandito nga tayo sa Kanyungan Luis Beach Camp Resort here in Dasol, Pangasinan. So, ito yung setup natin for today. Yan. So, ito yung setup natin for today. Okay. Hi, ate. Hi, Keke. Hi, Ke. So, ito natin setup. Ito yung bedroom natin. It's Keke. Hi, Keke. Say hi. Hi. Okay, and kasama namin si Mio. Hi, Mio. Hi, Keke. Hello. So, ito yung setup namin for this weekend. Nandito nga kami sa Dasol, Pangasinan. Alright, so ito yung camping setup namin. Hindi na namin sinetup yung kitchen kasi we rented this attic. So ito yung parang kitchen area na namin. Hi ma'am. So ma'am is preparing for our dinner. Ito. So sa taas nito meron din siyang room. So ang tawag dito is attic cottage. So ito ang talakitok. So ito yung talakitok. Tapos dito merong bedroom. Ayan. So yung bedroom is good for 4 packs. Yung room dito may higaan, may mattress, may pillow. Tapos may provision ng kuryente. So ito fan room to. Yan. And this is for 4 packs, 3 to 4 packs, this is good for 1.8. Tapos 1.2 naman yung for 1 to 2 packs. Tapos pwede kang mag-pitch dito, pwede ka mag-setup ng tent mo. Tent pitching is 300 per packs naman siya. So, pero pag nag-avail ka ng attic cottage, yan, free na yung tent pitch mo. So, pwede ka mag-tent pitch provided na hindi ka lalagpas dun sa packs nila. So, sa harap niyan is ito yung beach. Yan, pa lubog na yung araw. Ay na yung sunset. So, makapagpalipad tayo mamaya. Sana makuha natin yung maganda yung sunset. Ayan. So, ito yung beach nila. Ayan. So, low tide nga lang. Ayan. Ang high tide daw is morning. Okay. So, ito yung kung saan kami nag-rent. So, inclusion noon, may kasama na rin siyang tables and chair dito kung saan pwede ka kumain, mag-dine. Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung CR. CR check muna tayo. Okay, so pupunta tayo sa shower room at saka sa CR. Bring your wine bottles, drink moderately. Stay away under the coconut tree. Use trash can. So, each section may trash can sila na pino-provide. Ayan. Okay. So, ito yung CR. Let's check the CR section. Okay, so ito yung CR for the boys. Ito. Ayan. Okay, so ito yung for the boys. Ayan. Ayun, ilaw na. So may ilaw naman. Ayan. So ito yung for the boys. Ito yung CR. Ayan. So, hiwala yung paliguan from the CR. May bidet. Ayan. Ayan, malakas naman yung bidet. Ayan. So, yun yung CR nila. Ayan. Malakas naman yung water. Ayan. So that's their CR. May lavatory. Ito yung lavatory nila. Ayan. So that's 1, 2, 3 cubicle for the boys. Tapos dito sa side, ito yung shower area, yung paliguan. Ayan. So may shower. Ayan, stone yung apakan. May sabitan naman ng damit. Ayan. So yan yung CR. So same din for the girls. So sa girls, tingnan natin kung walang tao. So same, may lavatory. Tapos tatlo din, tatlong cubicle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Apat na paliguan for the boys. Apat na paliguan for the girls as well. So yun yung CR nila.
Headlights on the highway. If you only knew, being back here always makes me think of you.
When the world is sleeping, do you think of me? With the road ahead's coming back again, coming back to me. I remember the long drives, the late nights in your car. I remember it all. Windows down, empty streets, you were all I used to know. You and I, forever, forever ago. And you used to drive me home. Now I drive alone. You and I, forever, forever, forever ago.
Good evening mga ka-adventures! Welcome back to our channel. So for tonight, we're here in Dasol, Pangasinan in Kanyongan, Luis. Kanyongan, Luis Beach Camp here in Dasol, Pangasinan. Okay, so dumating kami past 2. So hindi pa namin na-explore yung beach. Bukas kami mag-swimming ng mga kid kasi low tide pa siya. So but ate, what can you say about the beach camp in Oswaldo, your experience coming here?
For me, the place is really nice. Accommodating yung nagbabantay. Oh my gosh. She's tired, but okay. Okay, so anyways, maganda naman. May mga cottages and may mga villa. So, nag-rent kami ng cottage na may attic sa taas.
Nice naman
So,
yung attic.
yeah, it's nice naman. There's like one mattress and 4 pillows. So, yun. Tapos may saksakan, may dalawang outlet, and there's a light bulb there. So, it's really nice. Kaso mainit lang nga doon. Kaso may window naman. Kaso like, I don't know how to make it open, so you have to push it open and put something there to make it open. So like yun, and then for the beach, maganda naman yung beach. And kanina nung nag-sunset, nag-picture ako, maganda naman din.
Kasi sunset siya, no?
Yeah, this time naman kami sa sunset. So yun, she's tired. So yun, maganda naman sa bathroom. I mean like, it's okay, but like, kapag maliligo ka sa gabi, it's really really dark, so you have to bring a light. So medyo nakakatakot siya for me. But overall, it's okay. Honest rating, 6.
6 out of 10.
Yeah, 6, 7, okay.
Okay, ma'am, what can you say about your experience in the camp?
Mabait yung owner ba yun? yung
Caretaker.
sila ate kanina. Kasi nung nakita niya ako nag-iigib kaya nilipitan niya ako, nagulat siya, ba't ako nag-iigib ng water? Yung place nila maganda. Actually, meron silang mga villas na air condition na pwedeng i-rent. Aside dito sa mga parang attic type na
Fan room.
oo, na fan room siya. Mura lang siya, no? 1,000.
1-2 pag 2 packs, 1-8 pag 3 to 4 packs.
Oo, and then libre na yung tent pitching doon.
Libre yung 10 pitching pag kumuha.
And then wala nang ibang babayaran, walang entrance, no? Yun lang yun.
Pero pag 10 pitch ka lang, 300 per packs. Yung
So mas maganda kumuha na lang ng ate kasi meron
siyang provision.
meron siyang kuryente and then meron parang table sa ilalim na na parang ano siya na
Dining
parang
area.
parang ganun. And then meron din silang wifi dito.
Yeah.
Free wifi.
Free wifi sila. Kaya lang medyo
Malayo nga lang yung
malayo kasi
sa
doon sa
reception
banda, sa reception area. And then, ano pa ba? Yung CR, okay lang naman. Pwede
Yung
na.
naman, maganda, okay naman.
Okay naman. Yung toilet nila, okay
Okay
naman.
yung toilet.
Yung shower, okay din naman, malakas yung water. Yun lang, walang signal. Mahina to walang signal ang smart dito. Sabi daw,
1-2-0 signal yung
oo.
Yung globe.
Sabi daw globe, pero hindi namin na-try. Kaya yun, nakikabit kami sa wifi nila. Kaya lang kasi, ang kagandahan, malapit kami doon sa parang plaza nila. Yung parang, parang function area nila. Which is nandoon yung main ng wifi. Halos medyo katabi lang namin. Yun, tapos dumating kami, malakas yung hangin. Hindi naman mainit na like malinsangan eh. Malakas yung hangin,
Facing
windy.
ka tong West Philippine Sea. Diba? Kasi magdasol.
Oo, so windy siya kanina.
Pero ngayon,
Pero ngayon medyo hindi na masyadong malakas yung hangin.
kaya kami yan.
Yun, so nakamod yung aming baby girl ngayon. Ay, say hi ka, baby. Say hi, Tita Misang. Oh, hi ka kay Tita Karen.
Karen.
Hi, Tita Karen. Dali. How about hi, Ma'am Jo?
Hi, Ma'am Jo.
Oh, hi, Sir Joel. Say hi, Sir Yang. How about say hi, Sir Gian. Say hi, Sir Gian. Hi, Ma'am April. Hi, Sir Jit.
Hi, Sir Jit. Hi, Sir Alan.
Sir Alan.
Ma'am Jen. Kuya Jerks. Kuya CJ. Hi, Coco.
How about Snape?
Hi, Snape.
This is Hermione.
Si Ate Chantal. Hi, Ate Chantal.
Hey.
I miss you.
Miss you.
Si Kuya Lucas.
Hi, Kuya Lucas.
And Harriet. Hi, Miss Harriet.
Hi, Harriet.
Hi, Tita Hazel. And Tito JP.
JP. Hi to our Sikat fam,
family.
Sir Aman, Ma'am Rose, and 3D as well. So yun nga, this is our last stop for Pangasinan sa area na to. So we completed Patar, Alaminos, Dasol. So going up na kami niyan. So probably La Union and Maliko, yung next stop namin. So shout out to our gym members.
Si Lynn.
Lynn.
Lynn Lorenzo, thank you for renewing your your membership for this month and renewing your coach sessions. Hello sa mga Palo siblings, kay Reyna, happy birthday Reyna, belated happy birthday. Come, you sing happy birthday kay Ate Reyna. Hi Ate Reyna.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. And kay Pat and
Pat,
Johnny, kay Lorena,
And Sir Raymond.
si Raymond, the Palo siblings, and then ano pa ba? Morales siblings,
And Bermudo.
the Bermuda family.
Bermudo family.
Sino pa ba? Yung family ni Miko, Biko Gabriel.
Tsaka yung mga, syempre, mga trainees ko.
Yung mga trainees.
Fred, Gian,
Giancarlo. Hi, Sir Gian. Thank you sa mga
si
pa-breakfast.
Charles, yan.
Yes.
Yeye, Kai, si yung tatlong boys, si Denise, syempre. Joel, Lance, and Jean. Kai, Mika and Jet, and si Kriza. Yes, yung mga nasa panggabi. And then to our trainers as well. Chai, Enzo, and Neil.
Yes, Sir Neil, Sir Chai, Sir Enzo, Sir Zeke, yung aming mga coaches. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Thank you sa pag-support. Sa lahat, sa aming mga staff, kay MJ, kay Bonbon, kay Jinjin, thank you. And hello. And then, sa aming mga members, to all our ZRO Fitness Center members, thank you so much. Aside kasi sa aming 15th anniversary celebration today, we're also celebrating our first month sa aming gym business. So, thank you so much for all the support.
Bye! Shout out to AA! Mama! Tita Big, Tita Didit,
When you come
Tita Tite, and Tita Vines, and of course to Caparas Brothers. Yes, Mig, Maki, and Martin. Okay, good night mga ka-adventures. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Say bye, Mio.
Bye, Mia. Say good night. Tama. Blow a kiss.
This town's so quiet this time of year with the road.
Say good morning. Good morning, Keke. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, vlog.
Good morning, bye.
I love you.
Nights laugh at my jokes, treat me like one of those. Think I'm cool, but they would
Say shout out
never
to
date me.
Say hi, Inay.
Skin tight denim, big face. Dance at the bar like no one's watching. And I'm just a flower on the wall, not someone you'd ever fall for. In a couple weeks, you look at me. When I get pretty, then you want me. I'll be patient with you to make you happy. I'll be dancing, center of attention. Vision of the one
We are
that you wanted me to be.
Big the monster.
When I get free.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Oh no.
Maybe once I'm beautiful, I feel like I'm good enough. My insecurities wouldn't get the best of me. Baby, I'm out of this world. Do up all your cover, girl. Wouldn't have
Do you want to go to
work
school,
'cause I
Keke?
get things for free.
Oh, the teacher said, what's your
Just a
name?
flower on the wall.
How old are you?
Someone you'd ever fall.
Where do you go? Where is your school? No, what's the name of your school? You wash me up. Mia is a tomboy. It's Mio.
Keke and Vikas.
Hindi ko naman yan, Mio.
Mia is matakaw.
Si Mio, pag kumakain, kala mo first time kumain lagi. Nabitin siya, wala na. Tapos na pa. Kunin mo na.
Ano yan?
Alam mo, nabitin siya. Oh. Tapos si Mio Mio and ate. Mio is man na to, ate.
I'll be center of attention, vision of the woman that you wanted me to be. When I get pretty, then you want me. I'll be picture perfect and make you happy, and I'll be dancing, center of attention, vision of the woman that you wanted me to be. When I get pretty. The place is loud, but yeah, you cut through the noise. I wish I knew what you were thinking of. One last drink before it's time to go home. I had my chance, but I screwed it up once more. It's been years and it still kills me. Your dynamite, so fucking pretty. Hold on, darling, don't let me down. Hope that you feel it too, just give me a sign. 'Cause I know it ain't over. You feel it too, right? So until next time, hold on, darling, don't let me go. I wanna see if you're the soul, just hold me close. 'Cause I know it ain't over. You feel it too, right? So until next time, lost in the crowd, but yeah, you drown out the sound. I wish I knew what you were thinking about. Is this thing in my head delusional till I die, babe? At least we stand a chance then, right? It's been years and it still kills me. Your dynamite, so fucking pretty. Hold on, darling, don't let me down. Hope that you feel it too, just give me a sign. 'Cause I know it ain't over. You feel it too, right?
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated kayo on our next family camping adventure. Bye-bye! Happy camping!
So until next time, I'll leave alone, and just like that, I'm back to being sober.